Welcome to my channel, where I share my experiences and knowledge on making money online using AI tools. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 ways I made $2,000 using ChatGPT, from affiliate marketing to content creation. First, let's talk about affiliate marketing. I used ChatGPT to create affiliate marketing campaigns that generated over $1,000 in just 1 month, using tools like Amazon Associates and ShareASale. I created a website and used ChatGPT to generate high-quality content that attracted thousands of visitors, and then I used affiliate links to promote products and earn a commission. Next, let's talk about content creation. I used ChatGPT to create high-quality content like blog posts, videos, and social media posts that attracted thousands of followers and generated over $500 in ad revenue. I used tools like WordPress and YouTube to create and publish my content, and then I used ChatGPT to optimize and promote it. Another method I used was online coaching. I used ChatGPT to create online courses and coaching programs that taught people how to make money online using AI tools, and I earned over $300 in just 1 month. I used tools like Teachable and Zoom to create and deliver my courses, and then I used ChatGPT to promote and sell them. I also used ChatGPT to create and sell ebooks and other digital products, and I earned over $200 in just 1 month. I used tools like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Etsy to create and sell my products, and then I used ChatGPT to promote and market them. Finally, let's talk about the bonus tip, which is to use ChatGPT to create a membership site where people can pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content and resources. I used tools like Memberful and Stripe to create and manage my membership site, and then I used ChatGPT to promote and sell it. In conclusion, making money online with ChatGPT is a reality, and I've shown you 5 ways to do it, from affiliate marketing to content creation, and even online coaching and selling digital products. So, what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and start earning money online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials on making money online with AI tools.